How to fix Ring camera error code P1-99, I mean. So one of the first things you can do is to check if the camera is offline. Since the Ring support page says that the offline Ring devices can show a P1 type of error code. So go ahead into your app. You should be able to see your cameras, and if there's an offline icon, tap it and follow the troubleshooting steps shown in the app. The next thing you can do is to reconnect the camera to Wi-Fi. So go to your camera having this error, which is here. Let's say this one. We press on the triple dot button to enter more of these settings, and we can go inside the device health. In device health, we can, let's say, reconnect or change the network. So if you change the network into a connection that is better, or you can try fixing the current network you have, let's say using a closer router or just a better connection in general. But another thing you can do is to restart your router and move the said camera closer. You could restart your router by unplugging it for a while and then plugging it back in, but you can also check the battery level of your camera just in case you're using a battery option for some reason. But if it is wired, make sure the camera is connected to the correct power source or transformer. You can also check the power or battery level of your Ring camera. So if it is battery powered, you can check the battery if it's fully or inserted fully and properly. And if it is wired, like this awesome picture over here, make sure it is connected to the correct power source or transformer. Ring also does recommend checking power when devices keep disconnecting. Lastly, you can try rebooting or resetting the Ring camera. Let's say you have this kind of camera over here. You can go ahead and press the button on the top for around 20 seconds, and then it will do a factory reset. Actually, this is a factory reset, which probably isn't ideal. You could try resetting it inside the device health. You can go to the device health, go to the specific camera, of course, and you can reboot it from here. So scroll down until you find this over here. Reboot this device, and then just press it on it again, reboot this device, and then it's gonna take several minutes apparently. But those are a few options you can try if your Ring camera is having the P1-99 error code. So hopefully this video helps you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.